Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the flat map. How flat map works, what is the purpose of flat the stream API flat map method is used to flatten a stream of collections or arrays into a stream of objects. That means if you see the below example, right, there is a set of arrays. Okay, so all the arrays are going to be make it as a one single array, that is nothing but flat mapping. Okay, so whenever you want to make a stream of collection of objects into a one stream of object, then you are going to use the flat map as the respective method. The flat map objects are combined from all the collections into a original stream. I mean, the resulted output is going to be a original output of the stream. Okay, the flat map operation has effect of applying one to many transformation of the elements of the stream. That means whenever you want to have the one to more than one collections, right, list of list, set of set, then you are going to be use the flat map. Then it is nothing but a one to many transformation to the elements of the stream and flattening the results of elements into the new stream. Okay, so I will show you the in example, right, how one to many relations are happening in the flat map. So the flat map is nothing but flattering plus mapping is nothing but a flat map. What is flattering? We will see first. In a very layman terms, flattering is referred to merging the multiple collections or arrays into the single object. It is nothing but a flattering. So if you see this example, right, more than one arrays are there. So more than one arrays are going to be mapping into the single array. So this kind of situation or this kind of examples is nothing but a flattering. Okay, we will see how collections flattering also happen in the exact example. Coming to the syntax of the map, right, flat map returns the stream, but it is taking the function as the input argument, stream of stream as a object. I mean input or object. I mean whatever the input which you are going to take, right, that is going to be taken as another stream of objects also. That means mapper object. Here R represents the element of the new stream here. Okay, and the mapper is a non-interfering stateless function to applying the each element which produces the stream of new values. That means what exactly stateless defines means, in stateless behavior, right, you don't process the next element based on the already processed element. So each and every entity or object is of a stream is processed independently through the mapper objects. That means more than one elements, whatever the list is there, right, each list is going to be independent list. There is no dependency like a stateful object. The method returns the new stream objects as a R type. That means return type is the R. Any object, it is going to be list or collections or arrays, array of streams actually. Okay, the map, I mean the flat map is the intermediate operation, and it converts the nested structure like a stream of stream into a flatter one. That means single stream it is going to be coming to the examples, right, let's see. I have taken the program flat map operation convert the list integer to the list of integer. Here, right, in list 1 I have taken arrays, right, from arrays I am converting to the list. So I have taken the 4 list of objects. Okay, here, right, list of list integer is the actual object which you are going to convert. Okay, I mean which is you are going to be written. Suppose, right, arrays dot as list of, if you pass the all the list of collection objects here, right, it is going to be written the end results. End result is the list of list. That means if you see, let me print the color. See, the list of list means it is going to be having the multiple lists in the list objects. Okay. So now what I am going to do here, right, with respect to by using the flat map list, I am going to convert to the final list of integer value. So list of stream dot flat map, here write x, whatever the input object is there, right, list of x dot stream. So what it will does is exactly whatever the objects it is there, right, in the list of objects, it is going to be converted into the stream of objects. After that, what I am doing is I am collecting the collectors and printing the data. Okay, if you see the results, right, this is the result. Okay, this is the original list which we have taken, and this is the list we are printing. Coming to the another example, right, here I have taken the actual list. Okay, so actual list of strings. From here also we can convert this, I mean in this kind of single pattern situation also we can use, but not only double pattern collections. Okay, so like map we can use the flat map also. Okay, so see here list dot stream dot flat map string, I am converting this string of string, that means here each and object is going to be converted to the string. Okay, this is the final end result. So I am printing by using the for each. Mike, Sachin, Dhoni and Viru, these are the strings we are going to convert. Okay, I mean what I want to say is the flat map we can use flattering the objects or mapping the objects. Okay, let's see the another example. See, in this example, right, I have taken the two custom objects, list of student and list department. Here, right, if you see student having the three variables, student ID, name and department ID actually. Okay, in department, so we can take the department ID, department name. Okay, in this example, right, I have added this setup data. In this example I have added this setup data. So this data is going to be converted into the list of list. Here, right, why I have taken in this format, each object which is there, right, student or department is the actual object, and finally we are returning the object because, right, here not a specific defined generic, right, so that I have taken the object. The same way, right, I have taken the list dot stream of flat map result, whatever the resulting which we want to give, right, that means this input of stream I have converted. Okay, if you execute this program, right, you will see the output. See, each and every object is going to be written because it is written in the each and object type, right, because of toString I have used here. So all the list objects is converted into the single list. Let's see the another example, flat map array example. Suppose, right, I have taken the multi-dimensional or nested array. Okay, this nested array is going to be converted into the single array stream of flat map. Okay, here what resulting it is displaying, right, arrays dot stream is the one more method where we are going to use the nested arrays. Okay, flat map lambda expression taking the arrays dot stream of x, it is going to be convert the nested array into the single stream of objects. Okay, and then you know, right, collector dot toList. So let me execute this program. See, here nested array also we have converted into the single array of stream objects. Okay, thank you very much for watching this channel. Please subscribe my channel for the more videos. Please comment to the channel if you want a specific concept of it. Thank you very much for watching this video.